Hello, besties. Hello, family. Hello, family. Before we even blink, guys, let's get into it. Pre-trial drama. This is what we're talking about today. It's giving chaos. It's giving stress. It's giving y'all are not ready. That's what we saw today on the Thabo Bester trial. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, Mdase. Wishing you more blessings, more peace, and clarity. Now, let's get into it. The courts gathered for the pre-trial conference that was held in Bloemfontein High Court today. And yeah, it's in connection with the infamous Thabo Bester prison escape case. What is a pre-trial conference? Think of your court checking. If everyone has a representative, if documents that need to be filed have been filed, if any last minute issues need resolving before the actual trial begins. Now we know that the trial is scheduled for 21 July 2025. And yeah, I just want us to talk about some of the things that happened today. The first one, I want us to talk about Zolile Sekeleni, which is Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's dad. Hi guys, yeah, I caught feelings there. Crime. Yeah, it will embarrass you. It will do a lot of things because now this man has got himself into this mess now. And now, do you remember what was he accused of? He's accused number 3, Thabo Sekeleni, and what was his role? It was helping facilitate Bester's escape by using his personal details to aid in the logistics. So he used his ID number, everything name, to aid in the logistics of the escape. Think of transport, ID cover-ups, and faking identities. So he was involved in that. So today, it was revealed Thabo Sekeleni doesn't have legal representative, illegal aid, denied his application. The man told the court that he simply doesn't have money, and because he doesn't have money, then he turned to illegal aid. The judge warned him straight, if you don't show up in July without a lawyer, trial will proceed without you having one. So we don't want delays, no leeway, it's tough. That's what the judge asked. The judge was worried that because without a lawyer, he can't mount a proper defense. And he did ask Ms. Kruger, and Ms. Kruger said, no, I don't think there will be any problems. She's, I think, one of the advocates, attorneys there, Ms. Kruger. And then let's get into Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's appeal drama. Remember, she appealed her extradition. And today's court was also delayed because Nandipha is still waiting for the Constitutional Court ruling in her appeal over how she was brought back from Tanzania. She claims her deportation was illegal and it had violated her rights. So this is a teachable moment where we get to now explaining the extradition and a deportation. Here's where people get confused. An extradition is formal. Think of a legal handshake between two countries. It takes paperwork, treaties, court orders, and a deportation, on the other hand, it's not formal at all. It doesn't need the court. There's no administration that it's needed. What Dr. Nandipha says, she was deported illegally without a warrant and her rights were violated. Both of the High Court and the Supreme Court disagreed and said you left Tanzania willingly. It wasn't forced. That is what we know. Now it's up to the Constitutional Court, the Concord, and while we wait on the ruling, the rest of the case is stuck. So the NPA did say that they will also fight about the appeal, that they are ready to oppose that. So we don't know where will that end. Let us talk about Thabo Bester. Guys, Thabo Bester looked clean. He looked well fed. Nandipha Magudumana looked thin. I don't know if I'm the only person who saw her. She looked malnutrition. She looked stressed. She had that lipstick, but she didn't look I don't know if I'm the only person who saw this. And when I looked at Thabo looks clean. He's shiny. He's wearing those glasses. He looks, yay. Hey, I don't know. So he's accused number 5. He looked relaxed, clean, well-fed, like I said. The man is glowing. And while his co-accused are crumbling, I saw not only Nandipha Magudumana looking, even the wrinkles are there. Hey, it's tough, guys. So, Thabo Bester has nothing to lose, according to me. He had nothing to lose. He is already a convicted murderer and rapist. That's what we know. And now he had added that he was escaping prison. Just part of his chaos resume. So I see him as someone who had nothing to lose. But while you look at Nandipha, she was visibly stressed today. You can see this has taken a toll on her weight. She has lost weight. The sparkle is gone. The sparkle is gone. If you can look at her past photos and what I saw today, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe you saw something different. This is what happens when you align with someone who has nothing to lose. Thabo had nothing to lose, guys. He was already a convict. And this woman had everything going for her. And she lost a lot of things. So what I'm seeing here is that a teachable moment here is that, no, I just want us to talk about what she lost. This woman lost her husband. She lost her kids. She lost her career. She lost her dignity. And now she's in court. She's going back and forth. And the title is still there. She is still Dr. Nandipha Magudumana. You can't take that away from her. The education will always stay. But she has lost a lot. Now it's losing her weight. That touched me. But yeah, let us carry on. Bester's legal request. He's also filed for multiple legal applications. He wants his own laptop to prepare for trial. He wants more time to consult with his lawyers and specific dietary needs. Hey, Angas, how true is that? That he wants to eat certain type of stuff? I don't know. Already to me, he looks like he's been eating pizza and burger because he looks well fed. I don't know. Maybe he's got appetites to eat and other people don't have. I don't know. So these aren't just prison preferences. They're now pending high court decisions. And until they are ruled on, they can delay trial. So even though the date is set for the 21st of July, these pending issues still can cause postponements. And today, this is what they were talking about. The cost of love, just for me, I was looking at this and I just thought to myself, this is the cost of love gone wrong. Let's be honest, Nandipha has lost it all. Her career is gone, her children, she's been separated from her children, her marriage was shattered, and her business empire collapsed. And yes, I know people said she made her choice. She made her bed, let her lie on it. I agree. But it's also, when I look at it, we can take lessons from that, because sometimes when we see people in those circumstances, you think things will not happen to you. Yes, because of them, we're probably going to make wiser choices. And yeah, I just believe in life, never say never. But anyway, all she's left with is her title. Like I said, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, and that's hanging by the thread also. Technically, she still has her license unless it's revoked. I don't know, please help me, but practically her credibility is wrecked. That is what we saw. So accused number 4, that's another thing I wanted to talk about. Usenohe Mutwara Lipolo. Mr. Lipolo is a former G4S prison official who allegedly switched CCTV footage, tampered with records, and helped fake Bester's death. Mr. Lupolo struggled to breathe in court today. I don't know if you were watching. He was struggling to breathe in jail. It was a hassle. The judge even went for an adjournment because of that. So the proceedings were interrupted with court staff who had to check on him. Emergency services were offered, and the court adjourned briefly. So it's the stress. It's real, because you could see that he's struggling to breathe. And yeah, maybe he was having an anxiety attack or what. I'm not sure. But people are stressed here, and some others, they look like they are not bothered at all. With different personalities, we take things in different ways. So, I saw Thabo nje looking unbothered, and he was shiny, looking well fed. But yeah, we don't know. We don't show stress symptoms like other people. And then, there's another thing that happened today. One of the accused number 5, his charges were dropped. All charges were dropped today. The state made it official in court. He is no longer part of the trial. So yes, the accused list is getting shorter. That's what we saw. And evidence shifts and gets tested. Some people walk. The rest, they stay in the fire. Yeah, Shamanje. And yeah, it's getting real. It's getting so real now. So what is next? The full trial is set to begin on the 21st of July, but here we're here to watch it all. We will be waiting. We will be watching. Will Sekeleni find a lawyer in time? Nandipha's dead. And will Nandipha's final appeal be denied or granted? Will Thabo's laptop and legal prep delays hold things up again? We don't know. So this is what we are waiting for. So besties, if you're chasing power, romance, or validation, I count the cost, please. If you get into a relationship, if you get into a business deal, whatever that you're doing, please count the cost. Dr. Nandipha had everything. A name, a brand, a family. Now she's wearing uniform in prison, an orange jumpsuit. I don't know what color do they wear. I think it's a navy something. And she's now clutching to court appeals. It's so sad to watch, so sad. But yeah, this is what happens. You do a crime, and these are the consequences that follow. With that being said, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And yeah, Chronicles, please stay with us as we bring you the facts and the fallouts. With that being said, love you lots, and see you in the next one. Ciao.